It's a statement of fact.
Yeah.
You are coordinating.
No objection. Proceed, Senator Morgan.
Now, Governor, I'm getting interested on the performance of the employees we have at the county. Who process this basically and procedure? And was it done with information? Did this person come to you and disclose that they were going to pay you some arrears? Or did you prompt them to pay you the arrears based on what you have said about cases that were done for governors of Kakamega and I don't know, Mombasa counties? Who prompted the person to pay you 6.5376 million? And if as you say, tomorrow, the officer to your left was to pay himself arrears of 7 million, will you take disciplinary action against them? Because if this is done to you by EACC and they come to you and say, you are paid irregularly, we're here, we want to do an agreement, you refund. Doesn't it concern you that that can be a trickle-down effect? Other staff can say, let's try and repair ourselves. After all, if we are found out, we'll simply just pay and we'll walk scot-free. Does it bother you?
That's something which should be addressed by another institution. But in the county or general government, you cannot pay yourself. You can prompt a claim. It's calculated using the human resource manual. End of the month, chief officers meet to interrogate the payroll before they run it. So there is no way one can decide that I'm paying myself.
So this one you prompted the payroll master yourself. You are the one who prompted them to pay you. That's what I want to understand about the workings.
As I brought into their attention about the court ruling on the salary, and they went through, did calculations, and made a payment.
When, because this boils down to accountability, when EACC came to you, were they doing a criminal investigation or a civil recovery? The good officers told us there is a department called asset recovery. When they came to the county government of Nyamira, were they doing a criminal investigation or they were doing a civil recovery process?
They did not come for, they came for an inquiry.
Was they lied to you? Was it
Yeah,
the inquiry?
we wrote statements explaining.
So the inquiry was a criminal?
No. It was an inquiry. I can't know whether the inquiry is criminal or not.
You're not asking because we are in an era of accountability. That's what's going throughout the country. It's about accountability. Even if you are a commissioner at EACC, you are a CEO, Kenyans expect you to be accountable. So if they have come to Nyamira to investigate loss of money, 6.573 million, they are doing it on behalf of the people of Nyamira. And we need to know, was it a criminal inquiry or a civil recovery process? Now, you are on oath. Somebody who comes to take a statement will tell you we are making an inquiry into a loss of this money, or we are doing a civil recovery process, okay, where we want to recover such an amount of money. So what was the process that
they came
place?
to inquire how the money was paid, on what basis, and we explained.
Senior counsel,
It will be criminal.
I think that then
In fact, that act, chair, that act is so elaborate. I've worked at EACC for 5 years as chair. And every criminal inquiry is normally accompanied with a report showing the outcome and the concurrence of the finalization of that inquiry with the concurrence of the Office of DPP. That's why I'm asking, if that process was criminal, we must know whether due process was followed, an inquiry file was concluded, recommendation on closure of the file made, and the concurrence of the DPP obtained.
And I think that, to be fair, the EACC is the one who should be giving us those responses. And as you said, you probably need some time to get that. Let's hear from Senator Mutata.
I think take where the Senator left off. I think key to the interest of Nyamira people is not even a criminal process. It's a civil process. They have lost money, the money has to be taken back. And when the prosecute is entered in criminal matters. But after that, was this money recovered? If it was not, what action through the civil court procedure has been followed to recover this money and auction these people and get this money back? What has the county done to see that the money is recovered? Because the only prosecute not the end of the matter. Let's get the status stopped. But Nyamira lost money. What did you do outside the criminal process to get the money recovered?
Senator, you're taking us back to the other issue of the two ghosts. One was a ghost